Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Great to be with you once again this morning. Everything you see here is real, live, real, genuine stuff. We're trading our real money every day. We have investors and traders join us around the world, which is absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much. Let's get straight into it. We've got a massive week ahead. Of course, we've got the Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow in between our opening and closing bell. So it's going to be a huge week for us on the Day Trader. Right. The reason why I'm just a couple of minutes late, I was setting up a new position to bring to you. As you can see, the markets have fallen again this morning. This is in preparation for tomorrow. But Virgin Galactic is presenting an opportunity right now. Let me show you what I mean. Overnight, I brought you some news, more major engineer roles being taken on at Virgin Galactic. And also what we've got now, for those of you who would like to read the charts, we've got some very, very interesting news. Have a quick look at this. You might find this interesting. As I say, I do understand charts, but I don't trade from them. As you can see, the RSI, now the RSI is regarded as a oversold position at 30. If we hit 30 on the RSI, it's regarded as oversold. We are now, look, 32. We are right at the point of being oversold on Virgin Galactic. And the other thing as well is the indicator. When the MACD crosses this line here, as you can see, the purple crossing the red, it's regarded as a signal to buy. So there you go. Looking like a setup here. So I have actually set myself another 100 shares of Virgin Galactic, because remember, the charts tell you, gives you an indication of what's going to happen. It doesn't tell you what's going to happen, otherwise we'd all be doing the same thing, right? Which is what a lot of people do anyway. But anyway, as you can see right now, there's a position setting up on Virgin Galactic right now. If you want better information over on TikTok, click the link here in the profile and you come and join me on YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast, and you can see more details of my charts and maps and what I'm actually doing. And you can be in my free prize giveaways as well. And you can talk to me and ask me questions much easier on YouTube. So click the profile here. On TikTok, it's designed for my subscribers only. If you click the star here, I answer all your questions on TikTok, share you exclusive information, and and I will make videos on the stocks you want me to promote as well, if you are interested to that. Okay, Virgin Galactic, look, you can see now it's just falling again. So it's just about to cross the line. So I'm trying to buy some more at 624. The price now is 625. I've just bought another 100 at 625. Let's see if we can get another 100 at 520, then it should cross and then pop up. Let's have a quick look. Okay, 524. Afternoon all. Al Crazy is here. How are you, mate? Lovely, Al. Lovely to see you. William Wallace is here. Morning. If you've just tuned in, subscribe or ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Time for a quick cup of coffee out of my special Day Trader mug, which you can get from the shop, by the way. Always makes money if you drink out of a Day Trader mug. There you go. Links are below. Okay. Jason, Martin, GlaxoSmithKline stock, what do you think? Have a look and quick review. Looks an ideal buy at this level. Jason, they brought out, there was a potential information about a cancer drug. It broke on Sky News, but it never did anything. I don't know why it didn't go anywhere. But anyway, let's have a quick look for you. Virgin Orbit, I bought back in, expecting some good news today. Virgin Galactic, I think around 520. Anywhere around now, it's going to come back up again. We are oversold. Let me just keep my eye on this for a second. We're at 31, and yeah, looks like we're about to get a chance to go up. Anyway, 524. I've got a buy at 520. Let's have a look. GSK, I think it is. What's the ticker? GSK. GlaxoSmithKline. The reason why I'm not buying it is because, let's have a look. Let's look on the chart as well. Today, let's have a little look. Yes, it's below the RSI level. It's definitely a sell, but the MACD line hasn't crossed yet, so it's not. It's still falling, but it's certainly interesting there. Certainly interesting because it also pays a very high dividend, very good dividend of 7.8%. So let's have a look at it over the 5 years. Yeah, I prefer J&J, Johnson & Johnson. It's got a lot more strength. It's the other, the other stock we have too in the UK. Yeah, J&J. JSK looking, it's a good company. It's been around since 1999. It's not a Johnson & Johnson, but not bad actually. It's 5 year. It's a 5 year low, isn't it? 52 5 year. Let's have a look. 30.49. Yeah, it's pretty much a 5 year low. They did go through a lawsuit, but then all pharmaceutical companies do. I think it is. I think it is worth a buy if you're interested in this stock and you don't have exposure to it. I think it is a stock to look at. Definitely. Let's have a quick look again there. Let's have a look over the week. Let's see what the price did when it was around here. Let's have a look. When the RSI was around here, did it pop up? Yeah, it did. It did. It popped up afterwards. If you can just see here now, when the RSI, which is an indicator that the stock is oversold, then it did follow a buy afterwards. You can see decent candles. The actual price went up. It was here. It was at 30.51, and then went up to 30.76, 30.83. So it's getting ready for a buy, if not already. It's not quite there. You might want to hold off a little bit. But you might want to start dollar cost averaging. Maybe add, if you've got $100, put $20 on and then buy if it drops a bit more. That's what I would do. What's your allocation? Anyway. Let's have a little look now. You can see now Virgin Galactic is setting itself up. The RSI has dropped. It's now right on the oversold, but also the MACD is crossing as well, which is indicating that the price is likely to go up. It's a good buy position from here. Anyway, Virgin Galactic 524. I've got a buy at 520. We've got 45 minutes to go before the bell goes, so we'll see how that pans out. If you've just tuned in this morning, we are watching the Virgin Galactic for a position. The overall portfolio is down 1.37. Let's have a look. Oh, let me just change that screen for you. Bring that down to there. Okay, there we go. That's better. That gives you more information. Thank you very much indeed. If you want to join me over on YouTube, the link's in the profile. On TikTok, I'll give you more information of what I'm actually doing. The S&P trying to come back up again. We had a quick bounce this morning, but dropped off again. 524. I've got a buy at 520. Virgin Orbit is holding. Got some good news coming out of Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. Tesla's going back up. Rivian's going back up. I think the markets will be okay today. Arrival trying to get back up to that dollar position. Amazon down 0.37. Apple is down 0.67. Alex 4511 RKLB. If you remember of the channel, I can review the stock for you, make a video on it, and even post it as a video, sometimes even buy the stock as well if you are a member. It's a members exclusive perk. Let me give you the invitation. There are 20 reasons to be a member. It's not, as you'll see, nearly everybody in our show is a member. Because they get 20 times back what they put in. You don't have to be a member, but you get 20 times back what you put in. So if you're an investor, you'll understand that makes sense. I'm here to serve people. It's not about making me money. It's about rewarding my members. The members provide the live streams. Otherwise, I would be just making videos all the time. Anyway. What are the positive news for space? Positive news for space. Virgin Galactic, they've just advertised some senior positions for chief engineers and stuff like that, and some serious high-paid engineering positions as well. So it's all good news. No news is good news with Virgin Galactic. We've got some information from Michael Colgazier, the CEO. He used to work at Disney, and they're ramping up the experiences within the whole Virgin brand. So that's around the corner. Anyway, Paul B. Hello, Paul B. We're just looking at, you'll find this interesting. I want to get your comments now in this next little segment. Are you ready? Virgin Galactic, watch this. You ready? Are you paying attention, Paul B? You paying attention? So here we are with Virgin Galactic right now. I've just bought another 100 shares. Why? Because of the good news, but also to lower my average. But also the RSI level has dropped now below the 30. The RSI level has now dropped below 30, which is an indication. I've got it set between 30 and 60, and if you go above 60, it's oversold. So it's overbought, and if it's below 30, it's oversold. And we are now at an RSI level, and it's oversold. So that's good. And also the MACD line has crossed, which is a signal indicator to buy. So I'm looking to buy it as well. I've bought 100 at 5. Have you been to chart school? I told you all. I already knew all this stuff. I just don't trade from it. But I know many of you like to see it. So anyway, have I been to chart school? Magic. Anyway, the MACD is crossed, so there's an indication to buy. So I've set an order to buy another 100 at 520, and I've just bought another 100 at 526, sorry, and I will be trading them off the top just to lower my averages down and keep improving my position. All right, there's no point adding and adding and adding. You have to take profit. All right, otherwise your portfolio loses balance, and the only reason why my portfolio is surviving is because there's balance. So you have to readdress the balance all the time. All right, then, quick cup of coffee. How is everyone doing today? I hope everybody's well. We're coming up to 10:02, so we're just about to go into a very, very quick commercial break. You can skip the ad, be right with me. So Virgin to $4 looks more likely then. So Virgin to $4 looks even more likely. Well, if it does, I'll just keep buying and trading it and scalping it, because nothing goes straight down, does it? Nothing goes straight down. Things go up and down and left and right and in and out. So, no worries. Let me just make a slight adjustment a minute. Window, camera. Okay. Okay. So, we're right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. All right, we're back with you. Good morning, Caden. How are you this morning? Got some good news for you because you're into real estate, right? You like your real estate. We'll have Greg Dickerson, who's massively into real estate, a big YouTuber. He's got like 60,000 subscribers and a very successful a very successful real estate investor over many years. And he's going to be on our show when we reach 5,000 subscribers. And you can see we're at 4,917 right now. So we're getting very, very close to that number. And when we do, he'll be on the show and you can call in, speak to him. And I'm sure you'll get some great benefit from that. All right. Okay, Dwayne Palmer, good afternoon, guy. I'd really like to stay but be part of the Open. But I have an appointment meeting to attend. Good luck chasing greens today. Well, whoever it is you've got a meeting with, tell them you're busy on the Day Trader. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. If you want to see my charts, more information, more details, click on the profile link up here and it will bring you to YouTube. You can ask me a question. I can review a stock for you. Or if you prefer to stay on TikTok, if you click the little star up here, you can become a subscriber and I can promote your channel. I can put, there's the star just there, look. I can put your channel on the screen, make a video for you, promote your channel. Also, I can promote your stock as well, stock that you're interested in, and answer your questions. Otherwise, come onto YouTube and I can do all those things for you over on YouTube. Links in the profile. Okay. I thought there was a slight problem with that. There you go. There you go. That's better. I fixed it. I thought it was weird. I've made it a little bit better for you. There you go. That's better. Sorry for that. Okay. Back to Virgin Galactic 524. Now you can see that the RSI line now, the RSI has dropped below 30, which indicates oversold. We're now showing right on the line at 30. I have it set between 30 and 60, I think it is. 30 and 80, I believe, actually. And the MACD line is just about to cross, indicating a buy position. It's only a guide on the chart. I don't trade from that, but it's worth noting it. The volume is stalled at the moment. Still early in the day. If you've just tuned in, good morning, subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. There you go. And give us a thumbs up. That would always help the video. Let's have a look. Go for our positions. Tomorrow, of course, we'll be reporting live with Jerome Powell. Will be a big day tomorrow. See what happens. Tesla's coming back up, just dropping a bit again. Rivian, I'm still holding at 40% up. Lucid, down very slightly. I could add, but I'm not going to. Polestar, Arrival, up 2.5%. Church of Logic, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon to my UK family and the other side. Amazon, down today, 0.38. Apple, down 0.54. Robinhood, down 0.97. McDonald's is flat. Coca-Cola is down 0.47. We got the dividends to be paid out soon, 15.87. I bought a lot. I doubled up my position, so next time I'll have like $30 to $35, more than doubled actually. That's my first dividend really from Coca-Cola. J&J is up. I'm just down 1.1 at the moment. Google is down 6.89 today. Microsoft is also down 0.79. Meta is coming up, down 12% though. SoFi down. Very hard to hear you. I like what you're doing, but upgrade. You can't hear me. There's a sound issue. Is there a sound issue? Are you sure it's just? You sure it's not you? Hang on. Does everybody else have a problem? There shouldn't be a problem. I seem to be coming through as normal. Is anybody else getting a sound issue? Can everybody confirm there's no sound issue today? Can everybody confirm There's no sound.
Yeah, I'm coming through perfectly. Sounds fine. Must be them. I can hear you. Yeah, my... I wish I could show you my over-the-top ridiculous sound system. Look, I don't know if you can see this, but I've got a TV studio quality microphone. Just over there, it goes into a mixing desk, a sound mixing desk, just down here. See the orange? This is a valve amp. Then it goes into a compressor. So the extreme sound issue, there's no sound. Oh, go, Ali Tisro's here. Can't hear. Sound issue, can't hear. What's going on with you guys? Why are you saying you can't hear me? I have no idea what you're saying. There's nothing wrong with my sound. I think everyone's winding me up. Everyone's winding me up. It's got to be. Everybody's got me on mute at home. Go back to your house and turn your telly on. Turn your speakers on. Bloody hell. Fix it. Sounds fine. Yeah, how can it be good for one person but not another? Ali Tisro, replace the mic. Fix it. He's winding me up. Of course he bloody is. I've got the most extreme, ridiculously over-the-top studio you could possibly imagine. I can hear you on YouTube. Yeah, I'm fine. They're winding me up. They've got to be winding me up. I've got 14 screens. I've got 6 monitors. I know exactly what it sounds like. Bloody hell. Anyway, behave yourselves. Ali Tisro, just because you're a super gold member, royalty member, and all the rest of it. Anyway. Ah, blimey. Right. Hey, Ali Tisro, are you listening to me? You like this now? You like this? You ready? You like this? This is just for you and Paul B. You ready? So Virgin Galactic, I've added 100 shares this morning, and I've got 100 to buy in at, another 100 to buy at 520. Why? Why am I saying all this nonsense? Why am I all excited? Well, I thought you'd appreciate this. The RSI level has shown a oversold position. It's set to 30, and that's commonly regarded as an oversold position. Now we're now at 30. So I'm looking at adding to my position, and also the MACD has also crossed as well, which would indicate a buy position. Now add that to the fact that we've got good news. This is where it's important to link charts. That's what makes me the best investor trader in the world. That's what makes me better than Warren Buffett, because add all the chart nonsense, all right, add all the chart nonsense, the MACD crossing and the RSI levels and everything else, and the signals. Add that to the fact that I know where Richard Branson's going. Add that to the fact that they're building like crazy in the Mojave Desert. Add that to the fact that last night they interviewed for another chief engineer, and it's a very highly paid job, by the way. Add that to the equation, and what you will get is it's worth buying into Virgin Galactic. I'm just saying, all right? Anyway. Just thought I'd make that point. Arnold the Palmer, you'll definitely be margin called. Sounds good on Twitch. Steam, thank you so much indeed. Oh, I want to address our Virgin Galactic, our Twitchers this morning. We've got 15 subscribers. Some of you have let your subscriptions lapse. It's free using Amazon Prime. The next draw is coming up soon, so you want to make sure that you are still a subscriber. Otherwise, you'll miss out on the once a month cash prize draw. Okay, very, very important. So resubscribe using your Amazon Prime. It is free, so you might as well do it. Okay. The overall portfolio right now, we're just coming up to the hour, down 1.35. We did a poll yesterday, and most people believe it's going to be 0.75 tomorrow with the Fed report. Ali Tisra, where have you gone? Where's Arnold? Where's Ali Tisra? Has he gone? Tomorrow we've got the Fed report, FOMC report, and I'll be covering it live. It's in between the opening and closing bell. If you've not yet got your ticket for the event, if you want to be there, front row seat with Jerome Powell, here is your ticket to the event. coming up now. This is the link in the chat. You can be the first to leave a comment for Jerome Powell, which I'll put directly to him. There's the link for it. You can click on it now, and you can click a like, leave a comment. William Wallace has already done that. Can't even type right. Can't even type right. LOL. Nor can you. That'll teach you. Mike, what have you done? Anyway, you can go and click the like already, and you can be in on the event here and click the notification so you'll be notified when I go live with it. It'll be in between the opening and closing bell. Right, the overall position is just dropping down this morning. The S&P is down slightly, down 2.28 overall now. I'm not adding more yet to it. Quick cup of tea. Thanks for all the followers over there on TikTok. If you become a subscriber on my channel, you get exclusive perks and benefits. I can make a video for you, put your channel on here, and invite my 25,000 followers to follow you. I do it for all of my subscribers. I also follow you back and engage with you. I only ever follow my members on YouTube, which is this broadcast, and my subscribers on TikTok. It's because I want to engage in everyone and give you quality service. I don't do follow for follow. We have cash prize giveaways every week on Friday. We're now trading Virgin Galactic now, and over 50 stocks live on YouTube. If you want to be part of it, click the link here. I can make a video for you, review the charts that you want, review the stocks that you want, make videos on them. You either subscribe to me on here or come and join me on YouTube. Hey, it's Bill. Bill, you've let your subscription lapse. Oh, here he is. No, here he is. He's got his Luca badge. There we go, one of our subscribers. How are you, Bill? Any question you want me to answer, I'll answer it for you on here. You're one of my members. Thank you so much indeed, mate. Lovely to have you here. You'll follow me on Twitch if I sub. Yes, of course I will. I follow all of my subscribers. Absolutely right. You'll follow me on Twitch if I sub. Absolutely. And I will engage with you. And I will comment on your shows. Absolutely I will. Right. I do it for everybody. I do it for all my subscribers and members. Absolutely. We're watching for the next opportunity. Where did Ali Tisro go? Can we get a song today? We can get a song today if someone does a $10 super chat. And the reason why I asked for $10, it's not that I'm only worth $10. I think I'm worth more than $10. But the reason why I say it's a $10 super chat is because this video will get a copyright and I won't earn any ad revenue from the video. So to compensate that, to cover that, that's all the money I earn on a show, by the way, is you give me a $10 super chat. If everyone gives me $1 each, still $10, I'll do a song. Yes, absolutely. Wasn't yesterday a very special moment yesterday? Was everyone here yesterday, right at the end of the show? We had a friend of mine from England, a guest come in, whose father just passed away. And all the members said sing it. They gave super chats and they said sing him a song for his father passing away. It was a gift from all the members yesterday. It was actually a very special moment, and we did about 20 minutes for him. We did Smile, we did Time to Say Goodbye, we did Yesterday. We did several songs for him. He was deeply moved. He sent me messages afterwards and thanked all the members. And I said the members are incredible. All the members need to come together to gift me. Well, we do have that. Ali Tisro, one of our gold members, who's been a gold member since the beginning. Ali, how come your badge is still green? You've been a member all the time. Have you got a different account or something? Maybe, I don't know. I don't understand that. Because you should have a yellow badge by now, I think. Go into the super chat and see how many months you've been a member. Anyway, Ali Tisro often comes in and tips. I will tell you. I think I swapped accounts. That's what it is.
That's what it is. I knew it. He's been a gold member the entire time. Anyway, I know that we've got. We might have a membership come up today for free. We might have a membership being given away today because Church of Logic has got to donate because he said to me, I will give you $50 if you buy Ford shares. And I did. And I said, we'll give it as memberships to encourage our members to be members. So, oh, by the way, Ali Tisro, and a big shout out to you. We have 110 members now. We have many membership-only events. I don't know if you've ever seen any. We have them all the time, membership-only events. That's because of you. We now have 110 members. Potential of XRP decoupling from Bitcoin. Oosh, is that good or bad? Bitcoin, I'm still waiting for it to go lower. And Ethereum. The merger, as I said, had nothing to do with the value of the asset. It didn't go up just because of the merger. People said, "Oh, the merger is going to explode." I said it would pop up and go back down again, but ultimately go back down again, and it didn't even go back. It didn't even pop. It just went down. It doesn't. It's a technological achievement for the creators and coders of Ethereum, of course, but it doesn't mean your Ethereum is worth more money. Look at comments about space. Let's have a look. RSI is bearish, control zone, meaning bears are in control. Oversold would be under 30. Oh, Arnold Palmer just subscribed. You're on a trial. I'm on a trial, am I? Arnold Palmer says, I'm on a trial. How come? There you go. I just followed you. I've just followed you, Arnold the Palmer. I've just followed you now. There you go. Told you. And if you subscribe to me with Prime, which you did, it's free. And you will be in a free prize draw every month. All right. The first Friday of the month. I'm paying to be your financial advisor. Right. Let me read this comment from Ali Tisro. RSI is bearish, is in a bearish control zone, meaning bears are in control. Oversold would be under 30. Yes, I know, Ali Tisro. I know. And oversold would be under 30. We know that. We know that. And it's right on that line right now. So I appreciate you saying that. But if you look at the RSI on... It's just there, 32, 30. It's right on the line, look. So, and the MACD line is crossing as well. But overall, I know where the stock's going. And overall, I feel confident to buy it lower. I just bought another 100. I've got another 100 to buy at 520. I looked at the hirings last night with Virgin Galactic, the positions they're adding to the chief engineers position. So I am very happy to own more. So there you go. Markets are still down 1.37. I just think of my typing like a doctor's handwriting. The smartest people don't have time for neatness. Well, you say that. I think it's discipline, quite honestly. I think getting out of bed in the morning, making the bed, have a shave, have a shower, put your suit on, have an organised, structured studio, planning, I think is a bit better than being a complete mess and chaos. I don't know. You tell me. Virgin Orbit, I bought more Virgin Orbit as well. We are looking to trade some Virgin Orbit today if we can, and we are also looking to trade Virgin Galactic by taking some off the top. I'm now overbalanced, overweighted on the stock. I need to trim off some today, which is exactly what I intend to do. The overall portfolio is down 1.36, still falling. I've added to my VOO. I've got a nice payout in October, the ex-dividend date. Also, ex-dividend date is Tesco as well. That's up to date. I'm down just 4% now. Oh, that's interesting.
Fractional shares are currently positioned. Fractional shares are currently positioned closing only for Tesco's. What's that there? Never seen that before. Fractional shares are currently positioned closing only. Interesting. Never seen that before. Anyway, down 4.21 and we got a great dividend around the corner. Let's check our other supermarkets. Walmart is flat. Target is down 0.66. But I'm still very healthy on both of those. I bought those at the right time. Just holding them. Rolls-Royce, I'm still out of it. PayPal going down. I'm out of that stock right now. IonQ up 1.1%. SoFi, Meta, Microsoft, Google down 7%. When is the is there a dividend on Google? No, there's not. No, there's not. It's just purely growth. Google's a buy. Should we have a quick look on Google a minute? Google is oversold as well. Google is oversold. Let's have a little look. Now, coming up to Christmas, Google will be making more money and people will be investing. Okay, I'm going to buy some Google. After I run a very quick commercial break, I'm going to get some more Google, I think. Here we go. Let's just run a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Let's set a limit order. There we go. Much, much better. That's got Google in line now. Rebalance there. Google, because Google could do well tomorrow if we get a 0.75. The Fed is now expecting to keep raising rates, then hold them there. CNBC survey shows. If we get a 0.75 tomorrow, the markets are going to rally. I've just bought another 100 shares of Google because I like that. I think that's a good buy at that position. I just looked at the position there. Oversold, and the MACD is crossed, so I like it anyway. But I've been waiting for it to drop down to a certain point, and we are there now. We are there now. Yeah, definitely. Worth a position there. Good. I'm glad about that. That was one I needed to balance out. Now then, we want to trade some VORB today, and also we want to trade some Virgin Galactic as well. Right, the RSI has now dropped on Virgin Galactic further, 29.61. Ali Tisra, are you with me? Are you with me? Virgin Galactic is getting better. If we look at it right now, I'll take you to this position here. You can actually see the RSI, if I put it on the screen right here, look, in the crosshairs, 29.61 now. 29.61, it's below 30, so it's now oversold, and the MACD line is crossed, so we could get a nice bounce from here. I have bought another, I've got another 100, I've got an order at 520. Should we get a little drop when the market opens in 15 minutes, if we do get a bit of a automatic bounce, it'll to pick up 520. So I'm happy with that. The overall market is still falling. We're preparing for tomorrow, of course. What will you do if Chamath sells all Virgin Galactic shares held by Social Capital? What will I do? What will you do? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I still believe in the stock. Welcome everybody over on TikTok. Good morning. If you want to be part of our main trading show, come into the YouTube link just up there. Or if you become a subscriber by hitting the star, then I answer your questions and make special videos for you, exclusive videos for you, and so on and so forth. And also promote your channel as well. Do a commercial for your channel, which you can see on my profile if you go and have a little look. All right. So here we go. We've got just 14 minutes to go. We don't intend on holding these stocks for very long. Can everyone please pray for my family in Puerto Rico? Listen, church, listen. The people of Puerto Rico rescued me and Leah. We were in one of the biggest hurricanes in history, in the eye of it. We were in Hurricane Irma when it hit St. Martin. I was doing a gig there, and a few years ago. We know what it's like to live through 235 mile an hour peak gusts in Hurricane Irma. Hurricane Irma flattened St. Martin, and we were rescued by the American Army. Thank you very much. And so yes, and we were taken to Puerto Rico, and the people of Puerto Rico took us in and gave us some clothes, because we lost everything. And I appreciate the people of Puerto Rico. So can everyone please pray for my family in Puerto Rico? The storm took out all communication and systems. Church of Logic, we're with you. How much good you buy this relationship already? How much Google you buy this relationship already working? How much Google did I buy? Just bought another 12. I've got 22 now. Right, just 10 minutes to go. The S&P, we're getting a drop before the bell goes. How much Google you buy? This relationship already working. What do you mean? The fact it's still going down? Glad they came to you, to your help. Yeah, I wouldn't expect nothing different. Amazing people. Yeah. So Google now is oversold an RSI of 29.52. I bought some more. If we break 190, it is time to load up. I don't see it possibly going any lower. Well, the valuation wouldn't make any sense. I'm happy to own it. Doesn't pay a dividend though, but I'm happy to own it. We're down now. We're falling quickly. Google will pay a dividend one day. Not right now, though. 10 minutes ago, we're getting a big drop before the bell goes. Me too, holding space, believing, scalping Vor probably tomorrow. Yep. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Getting ready for the lightning round. Portfolio is still falling. Tesla's falling. But remember, Tesla's still doing really well. It's 6 of 18, 918 by its old standards. So it's still very, very good. Comments are not working. Yeah, there's some issues with comments. I can see that, Ali Tisro. Some of the comments on YouTube aren't working. I've seen that. It's a technical error from YouTube. They're actually upgrading their systems. It's why, if you notice, I can't share my shop at the moment. You remember I used to have my shop on here. There's some issues with YouTube at the moment. Anyway, massive sell-off as predicted. Tesla's coming back up again. Virgin Galactic. Oh, 320. Sorry, 520. I got a buy at 520. Did it go through? $520. I had a buy at 520. Just over 6 minutes to go. Good morning, family. Prepare for a red day. Wishing you all a great day. Al, you crazy? How are you? Average now 555. Here comes my coffee, Mike. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks, Leah. Big drop now coming. Whoa. Just bought another 100 at 522. $5.53 now is my average. Watching very, very closely. $5.20. The overall position now is 1.86. It was at 1.9. Just come back slightly. The S&P is still falling. Virgin Galactic's $5.20. There we go. Just to get a slight uptick. Tesla's coming back. Now we'll sell some. I have to sell some. Unemployment rate expected to rise, but to 4.4%. Ali Tisra, are you ready if SPY drops 15% and other stocks drop accordingly? Not really, no. 5.95 is next year. We will finally be in the green with space. Yep, next year. This is the only time you can get in right now. Five minutes to go. Getting ready for the bell. It's going to be a dramatic morning. Preparing for tomorrow. My average now is 5.53. I want to sell some at 5.60. If I can. Or I can lot trade. Allocate the ones I want to sell. Just bought another 100 at 5.20. Another 100 at 5.25. 5.26 rather. So I can sell 200 at 5.30 to trim off. $1.85. Where do we go next? Just a couple of minutes ago, the S&P's coming up, down 2.42. Get ready. Are you ready now? Just 3 minutes to go. Quick commercial break. Skip it. We're right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. Here we go. It's going to be a massive day today. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to join in and see more details, more information, click the profile link, come into YouTube or become a subscriber. Click the star here on TikTok. I'll answer your questions, make specific videos for you, exclusive content for my members, subscribers here on TikTok, or join us on YouTube. Okay. They're worth less than Apple. Who's worth less than Apple? Google. Let's have a look. I apologise that some of your comments are not coming through. There's an issue with YouTube. There's nothing I can do about it, I'm afraid. All right, 2 minutes to go. Right, space now is oversold and the MACD line has crossed. I can share with you right now, it is a buy at this position. I bought some. I'm hoping it will go up. I'm more interested in the news, though, that they're hiring, again, chief engineers. So I'm excited about that. The RSI now is showing 1680. Yeah, oversold now. 1680 now. And the MACD's crossed, looking a good opportunity to buy Virgin Galactic right now. I bought it. That's no indication it's going to go up, but it's a positive sign if you are a believer of the stock. What's the biggest win you've had on the stock market? I can't remember. Actually. 520. Now, I would like to sell something around 550, 560, trim off the top. Still falling, down 2%. Down 2%. Still falling. We've got 1 minute to go. Here we go. All right. Here we go. This is going to be a very, very big morning. Very, very big morning. Let's get ready to ring the bell. Let's have a big sip of coffee. Okay, 15 seconds to go. Two, one, go. Down 2%, down 2%, 1.97, it's bouncing back. Where's it going to go from here? Very dramatic morning, it's bound to be. Down 2.1. Bell has now gone down 2% again. Still falling 1.94. Let's go through. Vanguard S&P was still down 1.94. The S&P is down 0.87. Virgin Galactic now just popped up. There you go. I made a profit on my 520. I could sell some. Right now. I'm going to leave it just a few more minutes though. I just got 100 at also 522. There could be a bit of dramatic morning here. Let's give it some time. Virgin Orbit is not moving. I thought it would move. Tesla has gone back up again. The overall portfolio is now down 2%. Rivian is coming back up, but down today. Let's keep going back to Virgin Galactic 523. Let's see where it goes. Rivian is now down 0.5%, but going up. Lucid is down 0.64, but going up. The overall portfolio is down 1.91 and holding at the moment. Polestar is down. The overall portfolio is now 1.82. Polestar is down. Arrival is flat right now. It's up. It's right on 95 cents a share. Amazon is down 1%, but trying to push back up again. Apple is also down 0.63, but coming up. I'm down 2.1% now overall. Robinhood is down 1% right now. McDonald's is down 0.46 and still falling. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. It's at 522. I could take a very small profit on this as a wash. I bought it at 522, or I could just hold it. The indicators are it'll go up today, but we shall see. Very, very difficult market to control. Apple is down 0.51, but going up. My overall portfolio is down 2.15 now. Let's go through to McDonald's, still falling down. Coca-Cola is down 0.6. Down 3.89 now. Johnson & Johnson is down 0.28, but heading back up. Down 2.2 overall on the overall portfolio. Johnson & Johnson is pushing up 2.21 overall now. As you look back here on the overall position, it's not looking good. Down 2.43. Got to hold on. Google is down. This morning, I did double up my position. I was down 6%. I'm down 4%. I'm happy with that. Even though it's down, I'm okay with it. Microsoft is down 1% today, still falling. Meta is also down 1.23, but trying to recover. SoFi is down 1% now. The overall portfolio is now shifted down to 2% down. Slowly, it's starting to slow down. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic, see what it's doing. 519, 522, 523. That triggered some buy-ins right now. 522. I need to try to get some shares out of this stock this morning if I can. I've got a trim back. I'm over positioned on it right now. Let's keep going. IonQ is down 0.4 right now. PayPal is down 3.46. As we come to the final furlong, who's going to win the horse race today? Rolls-Royce is down. It's flat. It's at 87 cents. Walmart is down 0.8 and falling. 8 now. Target is down 1.32. Tesco is down 2.78. Down 7% now on Tesco's. Look at that. Buy on Tesco's. Canoe is down 2%. On Semiconductor is down 0.53. Tilray Brands is down 0.62 but rising. Tilray Brands is holding my portfolio up right now. It might even turn green in a second. Ginkgo Bioworks is down 0.16 and that's rising as well. The overall portfolio is now coming up. Ginkgo Bioworks is turned green. Enphase Energy on the line now is up, down, all over the place. Bitcoin SV is down 0.95. Bitcoin is down 2%. And right on the line now, Ethereum is down 1.03. Wow, what a day. Today, green, tomorrow, red, says Mason Kirk. What are we seeing right now? Let's have a quick look. Virgin Orbit popped up. Very, very nice indeed. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic has also come up as well. Still down, but 523. The overall portfolio, let's go back to it now, is down 1.81. It's improved from below 2. Virgin Orbit, 346. 346, very small profit in there for me. Very, very small profit. But right now I need to take profits wherever I can. Let's have a quick sip of coffee. My overall portfolio is down 1.82 now. 1.92. It was below 2 a minute ago, so it's tried to recover. Virgin Orbit, this stock is worth $12 a share. That's its price target, anyway, at least. Virgin Galactic, still 519, 520. So this is what I mean. You've got to use the charts with your understanding of the stock. This indicated we were oversold this morning, and the MACD line crossed, and the stock still went down. So it didn't do what the chart indicated. So there you go. Otherwise, everybody would do it, right? It gave an indication that it is oversold, but end of the day, it didn't mean anything. It's still gone down. It's now 519. I've got to trim some back. So what I got to do now, whether I like it or not, I was just about to take some profits from Virgin Orbit, and that's gone down. The market is annoying. I was just about to take profits from Virgin Orbit, and it went down. It is early in the day, folks. You've got to give it another 10-15 minutes before we set a direction for the day. 520. See how the charts don't tell you what to do. They give indicators, but they don't tell you what to do. The overall sentiment is back to human beings again, getting fearful for tomorrow. There we go. The YouTube comments are working again. So if you start commenting again on YouTube, can you just test it? See if I can bring your comments on the screen. They are working again. Rivian's down 0.76. My overall portfolio, 519 now. Tesla's falling. Virgin Orbit's falling. Damn it, I was just about to take some profit on Virgin Orbit. The S&P. Down 2.18 now we are. Trying to hold up today. Let's see what we can do. We're down 2.43. We're still falling at the moment. Still getting worse. We're preparing for tomorrow. If we get... The reason why we're getting a sell-off now is to give people the chance to buy in. That's what's being done now. We're selling off for tomorrow so we can grow tomorrow, buy in and then get the benefits. Because tomorrow, if it's 0.75, we're going to see a bounce. Could be quite significant. We're down 2.7 now. Virgin Galactic's 517, 518. Virgin Orbit, 337. It's bringing it down. It was just about to take that small profit this morning, and then I would have bought back lower. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Polestar, Arrival, Amazon, Apple, Robinhood, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Google continue to fall, Microsoft. So interesting to see how Meta's doing well. SoFi, IonQ, PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart losing its money now. I'm still up 9%. I'm holding it. Tesco down another 3%. Let's have a closer look at Tesco. Cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Got the dividends paying out next month as well. I'm not going to buy any more though. $2.933%. Ooh. $5.16. What, on Virgin Galactic? $5.16, yeah. $5.16 now. Hell. We were expecting it though. We always said it could go to $4. Sidelines till next week. My silver puts are working out. Good luck. Nice one, Church. 5.16. 5.17. When's it going to stop? Let's have a look what the chart tells us now, because it didn't do much good to us before, did it? Yet we're oversold again. We're oversold again. We are now, the RSI level is 17.7. $17.77 if you want to look at that. So we are oversold again, but it's having nothing to do with it. It's not making any difference at all. How's it going, buddy? Chris Emery, how are you? Welcome to the show. Lovely to see you here. I'm only... oh, Church, did you not see the comment? I tagged you in on Discord. I doubled up my forward position. Doubled up my forward position. Because it went down last night. So I doubled it up. You see that? Hang on a minute. Oh, yeah, there it is. I was looking at it thinking, that can't be right. Yeah, I doubled it. See that, though? I doubled it when it went down last night. It's gone further down. How's everyone doing? We got our guest here, Chris Emery. Oh, Chris Emery's actually a member. Hiya, Chris. I didn't realise. Sorry, mate. Oh, Virgin Galactic's now 15.15. Down nearly 4%, 3.5%. Ouch, this is getting painful. Here's Church. Chris Emery's asking, is Church well? Welcome, everybody. Now then, we've got 37 watching and 19 likes. So you know what I'm going to say? I want 30 likes minimum. 30 likes minimum. We're here today providing this free show for you, and it doesn't make any money. You don't make any money unless you smash the like button, because it puts positive energy out in the world and you watch the stocks go up. And that's why the stocks are going down, because we've got all these people who haven't liked the video. So you ready? Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Smash the like. We want 30 likes minimum. 30 likes minimum in the next 52 seconds. You ready? And then we could all make some money if you like the video. Chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please. Stand up, say please. Stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Come on, we've got 22 likes. We need 8 more likes. There's 34 watching. We want the stock to go back up again. Let's put some energy into the show. Smash the like button. Virgin Galactic is 514. Really diving right now. We've got 20 seconds to go. We need another 8 likes if you want the stocks to go back up again. Put some energy into the show. Smash the like. Come on. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. What are we now? 22 likes. That's why the stocks are going down. No one's putting love onto the show. Come on. Unbelievable. Lowest likes we've had for a long, long time. That's why the stocks are going down. Got to put some love in. Virgin Orbit. I was just about to take the profit there this morning. Too late now. Virgin Galactic. 513. Overall portfolio now is 364 down, 356 down. We're preparing for tomorrow. There's a 1 in 5 chance that it'll be a 1%. And that's what the markets are pricing in. 514. I've got an average now of 553. Space is at an all-time low now. Jason Newman, 513. Yep, it is. Virgin Orbit also down today. If we go and check as well, let's have a quick look on the... It's at 1777 right now. So it's oversold is the RSI. It's indicating that the stock is oversold on Virgin Galactic. 514. We're trying to bounce back up at here. Let me share with you where I'm getting that information from. There we go. 717 right in the middle of the screen here. Look. This is the RSI. It's below 30 now. It's below 30. It's 1777. So it's indicating oversold. There you go. But it doesn't tell you it doesn't tell you that the stock's going to go up. 516 was its lowest point. 515. AutoZone may be worth watching today. AutoZone from Power and Beauty. Thank you so much indeed for sharing that with me. Thank you very much indeed. Ford and Space are killing my portfolio. Yeah, me too. I don't think Space is a good investment, says Carter Burnett. No, we love it here on the Day Trader. We know where it's going. EA oversold too. Everything is preparing for tomorrow because everyone is fearful. There's a 1 in 5 chance tomorrow, a 1% interest rate hike. And if that's the case, the markets are going to explode. And that's why everyone's selling out now. That's why. It's a 1 in 5 chance. The reality is it's more likely to be a 0.75 and the markets are going to rally. So by selling everything off today, it's going to present everything a huge opportunity for tomorrow. J8 says sell everything now. AutoZone 2000 a share. What the hell? 2000 AutoZone. Is that 2000, did you say? We'll be back at 6 tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. That's why I've been buying more. But it does take you to be brave. Bull market coming soon. Bull market coming soon. In October, I reckon we'll start getting a bear market rally. I don't think the bull market will start until mid-spring next year. Russia toughening military punishment amid reports of troops refusing to fight. Yes, and we've got calls for Russia, Putin now to resign. The war could suddenly end. It's still predicted that it could go on for years, but it could suddenly end just like that. It could happen overnight. Over there on TikTok, thank you very much indeed for following me. If you click the share button here and tap the screen, I will highlight your name. If you jump into YouTube, the link's in the profile. This is where I am right now. Come and join me. More information for you, or you can click subscribe here and click on the star. Here we go. Virgin Galactic's now coming up. That's its best swing of the morning. The central bank is forecast to keep hiking interest rate hikes until March 23. That's why I said spring. McDonald's is back open in Ukraine. I know. How cool is that? Jibanath, how are you? Jibanath over there on Facebook. Come and join us on YouTube. Lovely to have you here. YouTube.com/The Day Trader 1. So, Virgin Orbit, 335. Virgin Galactic, I will trim. Anywhere above 550, I will start trimming back down again. I've got too many stocks right now. 1900. 517 is trying to come up from here. The overall portfolio, 3%. It was slightly lower at 3.5%, so it's improved slightly. Should I just leave it over there so it's all green? Oh, look, I'm green, yeah. The S&P is coming up now. Virgin Galactic is coming up now. It hit 515, trying to come up from there. Virgin Orbit's trying to come up as well. Tesla. Rivian. Lucid. What about my Google? I just bought more Google this morning. One, that's still down. %. It's falling again. We're preparing for tomorrow. I can't believe we've only got 22 likes today. If you're watching the show today and you want to help the channel out, we go live up to 10 hours a day to help people. We do fundraisers for our members. We do cash giveaways every Friday. If you want to be in our cash giveaway, just ask me in the chat and I'll give you the link. It's free. You can be in our free price draw. I don't sell you anything. I want nothing from you. I just do it for you for free. Just ask me if you'd like the link in the live chat. All I ask is you smash the like button to share the video with more people. That's all it does. It tells YouTube that you like the video. Virgin Galactic had a little moment there, but it's gone again. 515. Virgin Orbit coming back nicely. Did you buy Virgin Orbit? I didn't. What's the plunge in the stock? Novax. Hiya, Troy. How are you this morning? Here he is, Troy. At 9% down the day, 4. This is not possible. These hedge funds rose it up and dumped it. That's manipulation. Yeah, well, that's the whole bloody market, mate, at the moment. Virgin Orbit is coming back a bit. Robinhood has listed USDC. Robinhood has listed USDC. Should I be notified on that? No, there's no notice of that from me, but USDC. Interesting. Let's see if I can get it then. USDC. Yes, there it is. Yep. No. They haven't, Paul. They haven't. What they're showing is they're showing it, but you can't trade it. USD is currently unavailable to trade in Texas. In Texas? Hang on a minute. What do you mean? In Texas? It's on Robinhood, but you can't have it in Texas. You won't be able to trade USDC if you're a resident of Texas or have been in the last 45 days. Bloody hell, what's all that about? I'm being penalised for living in Texas. I'm being penalised because I live in Texas. USDC is currently unavailable in Texas. I've never seen that. I've never seen that. A brokerage. Why don't you just say you can't buy it if you're called Martin and you live in this house? I mean, what is that? Talk about discrimination. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like it. USD. I'm jumping up and down in my seat. I love Robinhood, and you go and do that to me. You go and say, we list it. Yeah, people can do it, but you can't, not in your house. Unbelievable. I got to move house. Unbelievable. What's all that about? That's not right, is it? That's not right. Oh my gosh. You can't have it all. Why not? What do you mean I can't have it all? Bloody hell, I can't believe that's happening to me. Oh, I'm livid. And I was going to buy $1 million of it as well. They've lost out there. Stick it to them. Yeah, I was going to buy $1 million. In a minute, they'll hear me and they'll go, all right then, you can buy it then. Oh no, I was only joking. I wasn't really going to buy $1 million. I wasn't really going to do that. Aye. Virgin Orbit. Okay. Virgin Orbit. Trying to get a quick bounce of this. I might Sell my Virgin Orbit. No, I won't do that. But I might in a minute, because if we're trending down, wish I had more funds right now to buy Ford. Yeah, let me go back to Ford. Ford for you. Ford for you. Yeah, I doubled my position last night. This is the perfect price, says Church. I can't afford it either. I can't afford it either. I'm going to get margin called on Ford if this happens again. Yeah, everybody, the old bloody world is, mate. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the Pleasure Dome. Virgin Galactic is now 516. It's come up a bit. I'm down 3.5%. Hell of a drop this morning. Again. Virgin Galactic 516 came up a little bit and then fell away again. The S&P is trying to break out. The overall portfolio 2.98. No, that's gone lower than that. That hasn't refreshed. Maybe I won't refresh it. $10.50 on F looks to be a better price. Ford down 10%. Breaking news. Breaking news on Robinhood. Ford is down now down 10%. Yeah. Just hit 10% down today. Virgin Orbit. Don't say that, Fusion. 1050. $13.46, $13.47. It's because they can't get the parts. So they don't see. That's the trouble. You see, this is where Tesla comes in. Tesla make a lot more of its own parts, and the reason why Ford went down is they are having cars half finished. They can't finish them. There's lots of cars they can't finish. The Ford do not have the infrastructure like Tesla, where they make majority of their own components. That's the problem. With Ford right now, so the pain could get a lot worse, and I hope not, because we're all going to be in trouble if that happens. Down 3.5% now. Virgin Orbit 340. What's the volume right on Virgin Orbit right now? It's the volume right now is average volume. There's no trading at all. I've never seen that. No trading at all with Virgin Orbit. Let me refresh the screen. Let me make sure that's correct. Virgin Orbit is saying, yeah, there we go. I was going, what, none at all. Volume today is 24,000. Average is 454. So it's low by any standards, but yeah, there's not a lot going on. No one's doing anything. No news is good news, though, sometimes. Ford is ramping up. By next year. It will get better. People are just not reading. Well, I bought more when it went down last night. You knew I would do that, right? When you said to me, get yourself some shares of Ford, I'll give you $50. Remember, I said to you, you'll probably set me off buying more of it, and I did. That's exactly what I did do, because I like to lower my averages when I've got a stock that goes dramatically down. So I did last night. I bought here, but it's gone down even lower again. It has support here, but who knows in this manipulated market? Exactly. If we look at the chart right now, just for the benefit, in fact, I won't do it this way. I prefer it on. I'll do it here instead for the benefit of church, because I know church is a bit stressed now, and we understand it. We're all bloody stressed. I'm just trying to deal with my stress. That's all. Don't think I'm not stressed just because I'm dealing with it. Let's have a look. Here we go. This is what we're looking at right now. If you're a chart reader, you will see that Ford is dramatically oversold. There you go. It's at 6. Look at this. The RSI on Ford is at 6. Dramatically oversold, but unfortunately the MACD line hasn't crossed yet. It's not indicating a buy yet, but it is dramatically oversold, so that maybe that will come in time. But you can see there that the it's showing, if you look here, the RSI, whoops, we're getting some issues here. There you go. My phone's slowing down. 675 is the RSI right now, so that's indicating that it's oversold. But down here at the MACD level, it's not showing you an indication to buy yet. But again, this does not tell you everything. This is just an indication of where the stock is going. Remember, I said never chase the stock. If you believe in the stock and you love it, but Ford over its period of time, over 5 years, 15% is not a good investment from my perspective. 3% dividend is okay, but it doesn't compensate 5 years of that sort of growth. But to be fair to church, you know, it all fell off from 2021. It was doing well after COVID. After COVID, Ford was doing really, really well. It turned it around, and then it fell off. So it could be a buy right now, but the trouble is they can't produce their cars. Church says it's building 3 new plants and hiring 10,000 new workers to ramp up the back orders on the F-50 Lightning, which has over 300,000 orders. That's great news. Great news, as long as they can do it. Space holders are screwed. Weak support, all-time low, barely any buying. Let's go back to it. Virgin Galactic. Watch the plunge of stocks and Novak's. Down she goes. Troy Stewart. A lot of people on our channel think that you are a bot. If you are real, consider becoming a member, because you only ever give bad news on stock. You never engage with the audience, with the viewers. So everybody thinks that you're a bot. Now, if you're not a bot, just become a member, and then we'll know you're real, and then we'll take more notice. But at the moment, you always comment like a bot, so we think you're a bot. Anyway, if you're not, let us know. I don't think there are any investors on the market that know information. It's just snobby investors. Love it. There you go. Who needs a chart? Just snobby investors. I agree with. I'm with church. We're all with church anyway. Church of Logic, totally right. Yeah. Love it. Virgin Galactic is holding 516. Virgin Orbit trying to get up. There we go. Another $5. Another $5. Another 0.73. I'll take some money out of Virgin Orbit, because we are trending down, whether we like it or not. That's the case. We're down 3% now. Virgin Galactic's coming up. Ford is still falling. The S&P is coming up. Have we seen the bottom today? Have we seen the bottom? Solar will be my WW if we do this, 20% to come. Solar will be my WW. What's WW? If we do this, 20% drop to come. What's WW? End-phase energy. I'm up 76% now on end-phase energy. Webull is great, but I had got used to Robin Hood. Worth watching. Solar will be my worth watching if we do this. Totally. Why isn't everybody in Solar? I don't understand why. It's a rescue everything. Anyway, I'm holding my Solar. I'm up 60. Like I said before, I was at 65%, and now I'm up 75%. Another 7%. So there you go. What's that? 72, something like that. Anyway, still rising. The overall portfolio, 2.93. It's improved a bit. The S&P just going sideways. Virgin Galactic, 517. I will trim off. I'm not fussed with space. If you're buying these lows, you will make a small fortune in a year or two. I believe so. It's why I'm doing it. But I have to trim off. I can't afford just to keep buying and buying and buying. I do not have a bottomless pit of money. I am very rare like that. I know most of you have bottomless pits of money, but I'm one of those rare people that doesn't. It's incredible, right? Thank you ever so much, everyone. Follow me on TikTok. How are you all this morning? Good to see you. Come and join us on YouTube. Right, quick commercial break. Waiting for Vorb lower to scalp at bottom 1:30 p.m. 1:30 to 2 o'clock today. That's interesting. I like how you're giving it a time. Stephen Lewandowski. What are you saying to me? All right, here we go. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. Stephen does. He has a bottomless pit of money. There you go. No matter how low it goes, Stephen Lewandowski just keeps buying it lower and lower and lower. He has a bottomless pit of money. He's always in the green because every time it goes lower, he buys it lower to the amount it's low, so he's in the green again. Wouldn't it be great if you had a bottomless pit of money? Every time it went down, you bought as much as it needed to be bought to bring it back green again, because that's what effectively you could do, all right? But you'd have to keep buying a bigger percentage each time it went down. But eventually, you would turn all stocks green. They couldn't, because if you bought the bottom every single time, but you bought enough to average it out, you'd end up having every stock green, no matter how low it went. Imagine. That requires a bottomless pit of money, and you might not have a bottomless pit of money. I have to admit, I don't have a bottomless pit of money, but Stephen Lewandowski does. He does. Same here, Steve. It's CPU trading, not humans. There you go. Well, I'm a human being, and I'm trading, so you get out of it. I'm really here. Is anybody else really here? I'm really here. Tesla. What a bounce back this morning. Ha ha, oil money, LOL, love it. Church of Logic, thought about oil. It's bottom now. Is everyone buying oil again? Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic. Oh, there you go. I've got an average now of an average of 553. I was at 672 just like about 2 weeks ago. 553. I'm trying to get a 550 and I'll sell some. I've got way too many. 1,900 shares. I feel like Richard Branson now. I've got more shares than him. I got more shares than Chamath. 1,900. In my head, in my dreams, I have. Oh! Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell Virgin Orbit, a trading stop order, a percentage amount, 347. So it can go down to 0.2. Shares at 200. Good for the day. Review the order. Trading stop order. Right. Sell trading stop amount. Go down 2 cents. So it will sell at 345, which is my wash number. Review the order. And I get my money out because today we're trending down. It doesn't matter if it goes up to me. It probably trend down first. 345. Sell at 345. Order placed. Okay. So I'll get my money back. I won't lose any money and it might trail up. Probably won't. But that's okay. I have to put some money back in the bank. It's about managing your portfolio. All right, 347. It will sell at 345. Virgin Orbit. Come on. Run up like that. Run up. Let's have a run up. It will sell at 345, which is my average. Come on, let's make some money on it. Let's make some money. How is Uber performing the market? That company is rubbish. How is Uber outperforming the market? That company is rubbish. No one knows, mate. No one knows. Virgin Orbit. Come on, Virgin Orbit. We had one buy-in then. I want to see it. It's going to sell for a wash, and I'm going to buy it back cheaper. It's trending down, but if it does go up, I've got a 2 cent drop. So at 345, it will sell, which is what I paid for it. I make no money at all. But I've got a stop trading loss. Come on, Virgin Orbit. Just pump up and do that again. They are. Virgin Orbit sold. That's weird. It didn't even show it sold. It didn't even show a number. It just sold at 345. That was weird. How bizarre. There we go. So I'm out of the stock again on Virgin Orbit, but it was necessary to manage my risk. I basically got a wash. The S&P's falling. Virgin Galactic is holding. Lift up 6%. Church of Logic. Yeah, I mean, it didn't even move. It was at 645, whatever it was, 345, 347, and it was sold at 345, and it didn't move, and it still sold it. It's like, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. How come you sold? That's out of order. Anyway, whatever. Yeah, see? Didn't even bloody... Unbelievable. So I bought Rocket Labs, RKLB, right as they had a successful rocket launch. That went perfect. Then they get to go ahead to launch a NOAA spacecraft in October. All good news, and stock goes down. Fusion 301. Look at that. I got completely ripped off there by Virgin Orbit. Completely ripped off. Look, the stock kept trailing up. I should have made money. Unbelievable. Manipulation. Boo. Robinhood. What's going on? I set it at 345 to sell. It was at 347 and it sold. And it went up. That's bloody wrong, isn't it? How did that happen? Unbelievable. I did exactly the right thing and it went up. It's like a baby SpaceX and nope, it goes down. I know. Look at that, look, it's going up. Unbelievable. Look at this, folks. I'm being ripped off here by Robinhood. The perfect line. Look at that. The perfect line. I set it at 345. It kept trading up and it sold it. Unbelievable. I can't believe that. Oh, well. Oh, well. It's not worth worrying. We get screwed every day, don't we? Oh, bloody hell. Always optimist, mate. Always positive. It will go back down tomorrow when the market is up. Yeah. Virgin Galactic. Unbelievable. Oh, my God. Look at that. The perfect situation. I was making money. I was trending it up. I was stop trail lossing it. And it sold it. Unbelievable. You got to do the opposite of logic now in the market. That's ridiculous, ain't it? No one understands it. Slippage, maybe. Slippage. Yeah, I know what you're saying, and that is the reality. When you set a 2 cents limit, remember, market makers, Robinhood, make money from the micro trades, the small 0.0001 penny per stock per trade. And if you do actually set a limit of 2 cents, you are vulnerable to slippage. The smallest amount, and it's going down now anyway. But at the end of the day, what I should have done, and I sometimes forget this lesson, is set at least 3 cents. At least 3 cents. The reason why I didn't, I was really eager to get my money out of Virgin Orbit today because of the risk factor, managing my risk, if you like, overextending myself. So the fact I was not losing money, and I haven't lost money. All right, I just didn't make any money, all right? Let's get that absolutely straight. In fact, I made some money. 347. It sold at 347. It's after all that it sold. After all that nonsense, it sold. Look, 345, 347. It did. I'm complaining for no reason. Robinhood, I'm terribly sorry. It didn't show on your graph. Your graph was out of date. Your bloody chart was out of date. And I'm rubbishing you on YouTube. And in fact, look, it did sell for a profit. It's absolutely fine. I made myself $5, which is what I wanted to do. It did actually sell. Ignore everything I've just said. Rewind it. Scrub it. You could do a small limit, or you could do a stop limit on quote order, but that never works for me. Yeah, anyway. Ford creeping back up. Smart people know what's up. Here comes the real investors. Huge oversell. Ah, bless him. I love this. I love the fact that Church is so passionate about his stock, and it's right. As long as he's not a fanboy, he loves the cars, but he shouldn't love the stock. But I love this passion for it. I do, and it's good to see it coming back up again. I got a small position. I can't afford more. Church, I would. If you'd have given me that bloody $50, I would have bought more by now. But I can't afford any more. That's why I just sold my Virgin Orbit. It's all your fault. Church of Logic, it's all your fault. I would have bought more down here, so I blame you. It's your fault. So after all that, I did make some money on Virgin Orbit. So there you go. I don't love the stock, but I know the company has a great plan to be relevant again. Tomorrow is the big day. It is. We're all going to be here tomorrow. Bring your pajamas tomorrow. It could be a late night. Virgin Galactic. Oh, here we go. Come on. Get in. Get in. Lower my averages and drive it back up again. Right. We're now down 2.87. We were down 3.5. We've gained nearly 1%. 519. Now then, I want to try and get it at 553 and trim off. Get some more Ford and space. I've been doing it all bloody morning. I've got 1,900 shares of space. I can't buy any more. What do you think this is? Virgin Orbit, we just made a small profit despite everything I said. I made a profit. Anyway, let me go check to see what my cat predicted for today's market. Go and ask the cat. Hang on a minute. You know what we need? We know what you need. Here it comes. Here is the crystal ball of the day trader. This crystal ball tells you everything as long as you've smashed the like button. If you've not smashed the like button, this crystal ball will not work for you. So if you're watching right now and you've not smashed the like button, this crystal ball will not work for you. It works for everybody who smashes the like button. So here we go. Virgin Galactic's going to go up today, and I'm not going to be able to scalp trade because it's not going to go up enough, but it is going to go up a little bit. Is that any good? And Virgin Orbit has just made me a profit, and I'm waiting for it to go back down again. Virgin Orbit might go a bit low and I'll buy some more. There you go. That's all you're going to get from me today because you haven't smashed the like button. All right. Apple Pay now available on crypto.com for EU and UK users. Chronos #1. Paul B is loving it. And I can't share your comment on the screen because YouTube aren't sharing it with me at the moment. But I wish I could. With good news tomorrow, space could pump for sure. Yes, indeed. 518. All I want is 550. And I will start trimming. And my average will be for real. Because at the end of the day, remember the average. If I sold now, I have to lot trade. Whereas if I can get above 553, then or 560, then I can actually start trading, selling any of my shares, even though if I'm using the first one out, first one in rule, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I know it'll be 1%, but I'm open. Oh, I know it will be 1%. Well, that's what the market is pricing into today. She left her prediction in the right side of the little box. She thinks the market will be green. Hey, there we go. We've got Fusion's Cat on the show today. Let me open up the Discord lounge for our members if anybody wants to call in. There we go. Open up the Discord. Right, Discord lounge is open. What, has she been eating green Smarties again? She's been eating green Smarties. Oh, think of it. Don't think of it. Don't think of it. 2.85. It's been worse today. We've been worse. Ford is improved a little bit. I'm down 5%. The S&P 500 trying to come back up again. Virgin Galactic doing well for me. It's what I need. I need 550, 560, and I can start trading, start trimming back. That'll be great. My portfolio would go up. I'd have more money in my pocket. Life would be great. I'd be coming on here all jumping around, happy as Larry. But who knows? We shall see. 519. Let's keep it rocking and rolling. Let's keep it rocking and rolling. What do you think over there on TikTok? Thank you for the rose. Schwaff. Now you give me a rose. Let me do something nice for you, right? If you've given me a rose, you should be either one of my subscribers and I make videos for you and promote your channel. See the little star here? Click the star, and at the end of my show, in about half an hour, I'll end the show, put your channel on the screen here, and invite my 25,000 followers to subscribe to you and follow you. And it works. If you look on the profile of my homepage on TikTok, you'll see I've done it for all of my subscribers. If you are also a serious trader and investor and you want to talk to my traders and investors, ask them any question you want, get involved with all of my members. I'm on YouTube right now. This is my serious show. Click in the profile here right now and you can come and join me on YouTube. All right? Anyway, back to my YouTube audience. 518 now. Come on, Virgin Galactic. Let me sell some. Virgin Orbit. There we go. Going back down for a profit. I've made a profit. Colorado now accepts Bitcoin and crypto for tax payments via PayPal. Paul B, more information coming through. I wish I could share the comments on the screen, but it's not coming through. Preston. Hey, Martin. Preston Uli Barry. We've got a guest here this afternoon. Everybody welcome Preston in. Virgin Orbit. Perfect. It's going back down again. Yes. Yes. Perfect. Spire's going to die to 380. Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic's going up. That's looking good. The S&P's coming up as well. My overall portfolio, 2.98, 2.77. We like it. We want to get Vorb again. Oh, yes. I made a small profit. And I want to buy it again. So that's good. Preston, let's welcome. We've got a guest here. Siddhartha, you've let your membership lapse. Oh, you lost all your membership benefits. What's going on there? Wasn't you a member before? I thought you was. Anyway, let's welcome our new guest. We've got Preston Ulibari. Let me give you a wave. Preston, how are you? My name is Martyn Lucas here from Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall in England. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've got the highest engagement rate of members to viewer percentage on YouTube. We hold that. The members support the live shows. We go live up to 10 hours a day for our members. We give you Discord access. We give you cash prize draws, free draws. We give every Friday, we have cash prize giveaways every Friday. Really, really good. If you want to be in our free prize draw, just ask me and I'll give you the link for it. It's free. I never sell you anything. I want nothing from you other than your company every day. We're live here, trading live. And we just made some money on Virgin Orbit. We're waiting for it to go back down again. Who's down for love chat? Paul, who's down for love chat? What's all that about, Paul B? What are you on about? Virgin Galactic's trying to go up again. That's good. My overall portfolio is trying to push back up. Tesla's is holding up. Despite everything, Tesla's doing okay. Rivian pushing back up again. Lucid still falling. Polestar's coming up. I sold 150 shares of Space yesterday at 5.28 and made a profit today. Bought it back at 5.17. I mean, I keep timing it out. Oh, I see, Paul. But thank you much indeed. Thank you much indeed. I will actually click. I'll go one step further, and I'll ban them. There you go. Hide user on this channel. There you go. There you go. I've now hidden them. Arrival's going up. Looking at that. Virgin Galactic trying to pump back up again. Virgin Orbit trying to go back down. What do you think about AMD? It's not a stock I'm really interested in the moment, to be honest. I'm more interested in not McDonald's. That wasn't what I meant to show you. Microsoft. I believe Microsoft got a better position. I've just re-entered Microsoft. Small position, down 4%, but we're looking to get more. We increased our Google position this morning as well. That's slowly pushing up, so I'm glad about that. Portland Trailblazers, how are you? About to go to work. Portland Trailblazers, we've got our Day Trader of the Day competition coming up in a minute. You're going to miss it to find out who our Trader of the Day is. Now then, for those of you that have not entered the competition, we have a cash giveaway every single Friday and every first Friday of the month on Twitch for free. It's free to enter. If you want to be in our free prize draw, we do it every single Friday. I want nothing from you at all. Just your company is all you need to watch the show. Here is the email weekly newsletter. This contains the cash giveaway videos that you watch to be in the draw. There you go. There it is. When you click on that, you'll come to this. This will show you the email. You just put your email. It's a secure server. This is my all links button. If you scroll down, you'll see all the other things you can get from my show, from my sponsors. All right. But all you got to do is put your email in there and you will be in it. And then you need to verify the email as well. It's very, very important that you put your email. Just bear with me a second. I'm just getting rid of these comments. Hide them from the channel. There we go. Getting rid of more of these bad people. Then what you need to do then is you'll be sent a verification email. The verification email will always go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. So there it is. I'm giving you the email you've got to search for in your junk box. It's the email associated with this channel, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. And you'll be in our free prize draw. It goes out every Sunday, 8 a.m. Every Sunday Central, that is. 9 a.m. Eastern and 2 p.m. GMT. And the competition's every Friday. And it'll explain everything in the email. Right, the S&P is coming up. That's what we want. Virgin Galactic is just touched 520. That's what we want as well. And Virgin Orbit, we're waiting to catch it on the way down again. Got to go. Got to get my lad from college. See you later, folks. Paul B, lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. Ali Tisro still here. I didn't realise Ali Tisro was still here. Say hello, Ali. What's going on? Didn't realise you were still here. You're not engaging on the channel. You're terrible. You don't engage anymore. All right. Be safe, Paul. Yes, indeed. Be safe. He's going, I always am. I'm always safe. Virgin Galactic, good. I'm happy. I've got 1,900 shares now at this value. I want to get a pop and trim off. If I can just get to 550, 560, I can start selling some. And that's what I want to do. I do want to do that because it's too much. And I can put some money back in the bank and protect my account. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for it to go back down again. Tesla, a lot of scalp trading going on Tesla right now. But, Tesla's pumping up nicely now. That's good. Rivian, Lucid, Polestar, Arrival. Are you in Arrival? Amazon. Have we got volume come back into the stock on Arrival? Let's have a look. Arrival. 990 shares sold them. The average volume 34,000, 4 million. Yeah, 4 million is the average, and it's dropped to 34,000. There's no volume anymore in volume in Arrival, and there hasn't been now for days. Amazon, Apple's doing better, Robinhood, McDonald's, opportunity to get McDonald's right now, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, the S&P. See, what the market is doing, it's pricing in a 1% rate hike tomorrow. We could have a great day if... we had a poll yesterday suggesting that most people think it's 0.75. Let's do another poll. Ali Tisra, if we get a bounce, sell some shares. Yes. Space hit an all-time low. This is bad. Yes, I am. That's exactly what I am doing. Exactly. I want to trim off the top. Let's do another poll today and see rate hike. We did it yesterday. And people suggested 0.75, 0.5%, 0.75%, or 1% tomorrow. We're covering it live. Let's have a look. XRP is asking a question to please keep the language to a minimum. We don't have swearing and abuse on the channel. We don't like any of that. But if you'd like to ask a serious question, we'll happily answer it. Ali Tisro is very experienced on XRP. We value his opinion and what he says. He often calls into Discord and shares it, but he'll answer any questions as long as they're presented in a nice way and not offensive or anything like that. So please keep it nice. Right, we're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. Let's have a quick look here and a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. Fantastic. Let's see if we gain any subscribers today to the channel. Let's have a quick look. 4917. Nothing moved today. It's been a very quiet day today. People are very fearful of what's going on in the markets, which is a bit of a shame. Of course, we understand that. Virgin Orbit, I just got out as it's falling back down again. I made a profit. We'll wait to see how low it goes again. It will be 1%. They want to do anything they can to crash the market. Wow. Let's have a look at the poll so far. 17% say 0.5. That's same as yesterday. That would be amazing. That would be just fantastic for the markets. 50% say 0.75. 33% say 1. See? So people are still leaning towards, I mean, the 0.5, they would then switch to 0.75, right? So if you add the 0.75 and the 0.5 together, you've got 40, 50, 60, 69% there saying 0.75 and lower. So only 31% are saying 1%. So be very, very interesting. VSS Unity completely reassembled and attached to the VMS Eve. Looks ready to for flight launch. Where? Right. Spaceline, where are you getting that information from? Where are you getting that information from? Spaceline, I need you to become a member so I can upgrade you on Discord and share that link. I want to report on that. If that is verifiable information, I want that. Where's the new Spaceline? Right, let me give you... Virgin Orbit is going back up again. I want that information. So let me first of all give you the invitation to join. Please, it's only a couple of bucks a month, really. Facebook Investor Group. Hang on, let me try and find it. And also, Mohammed bin Salman Al Saud, known as MBS, is a Saudi. What is that all about? What are you saying there? XRP transactions, there you go, are trustless, instant and cheap, putting them in the advantage for cross-border movements. That is, we've got an XRP conversation. I'm trying to read the Spaceline. Arab Prince visited Virgin Galactic 5 days ago. If you can become a member, and then I can put you on Discord, please share the link. I'd love to feature that. I'll make a video on it, promote it. Absolutely right. I mean, please do. Virgin Galactic. Let me see. Virgin. I'm searching for it because that is relevant. Virgin Galactic organization. Where are you seeing that information? I want the link to it. I want the link. I can't find it. Groups. Search groups. You said it was their group, Virgin Galactic. I don't know where you're seeing it until you can share it with me. Check Stockwits. There's just too many links. I mean, it's impossible. This is why, if you can become a member, I can get to it. I mean, there's just, I can't find it. It's difficult to find it during a live show. Virgin Galactic space pumping. This goes down. Yeah, I can't find it. I'll have to look for it off air. If anyone's got the link, any of my members could share me the link on Discord. I'd like to see it. That's really important news, and I could put it out right now, but I can't find it. Nothing on VSS. No, I don't see that. I can't find anything on it. Thanks, Church. No tech breakdown. Just nothing on VSS. Check stock. I can't find it. Hello, good people. Mr. Clockwork. Ali Tisro would love to hear a tech breakdown of any investments. So if you want to call in, be a member, you can. XRP. This Tisro guy, he's Ali Tisro, and he's a very respected, credited friend of our channel, actually. So please be respectful. You might not agree, but please be respectful. 514. We're getting another drop now. Now then, the money I made from Virgin Orbit wasn't much. I will be looking to get another a position here. It bounced at 514 earlier. And then see if I can trade that. 514. I bet you would rather start. Hang on a minute. $5.14. Right, I just bought 100 at 5.14. Average now 5.51. Damn it, it's gone lower again. Come on. Get a nice bounce tomorrow. 5.51 now. So look at the overall portfolio, down 3.25. It's holding though. The overall portfolio is holding. Virgin doesn't look good, Mr. Clockwork. The S&P is holding. Virgin Galactic is 514. Press secretary, yeah, sure they had no use 3 years ago. Tell that to all the banks and people that used it. Ali Tisro, good conversation here with Ali Tisro. If we can get this information about space, I can pump the stock. I can promote it. I can let everybody know what's going on. And but I can't find it. If anyone can find me the information on the USS, the new, I can't get the words out. Unity, that is all ready to fly again, and the connection between the Arab Prince. Let me know, because this is good news. But I need that information. Just share the message link to Stockwits to your right. Have I got a message then? No messages. I don't see anything you've shared with me at all. Let me have a look. Check Stockwits. I've checked it. Just share the message link in your Stockwits account. I'm looking on Stockwits and I don't see anything. You've not shared anything there. I don't see anything. You've sent me no message. You could send me a message, but there's no message here. So you've not sent me a message. I've got nothing from you. Ah, Spaceline. What's this here? Hang on a minute. Let me just check this before I share it out. Hi, Martin. I'm a friend of mine. Hi, Martin. A friend of mine helped get the environmental. That's September. That's a long time ago. 1 minute ago. Stockwits. Okay, I'm just having a look now. We're not members, just screenshot the post. There's nothing here. It's a private group. You can't enter. It's not the official. It's not the official group.
and I don't see the post there. Spin, we're not members, just screenshot, post this photo. This doesn't look like a real comment anyway. If I'm honest, it doesn't look real. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. I can't find any information on it at all. Anyway, let's move on. 516. 551 now is my average. I just bought at 516. I could sell. There we go. 100 to 514. I could sell it. I could sell if I sell those particular lots. I could do that. $2.69. We're trying to come up. 2.77. S&P 500. Just so you know, I think you mean Ripple. XRP is not a company. Okay, we're getting before that. Scalp Vorb, buy at 330, then bounce, hopefully later today. September the 8th. Yeah, this is why we have Discord. It's so much easier. Spaceline. I can't see your messages, and the link you gave me is for a private group, so it's not really of any help. And we can't find any VSS Unity news at all anywhere. I'm now looking for it now. VSS Unity news. May 22nd. No, that's out of date. September the 8th. No, that's out of date. No. 516. Virgin Gap underperforms Monday when compared to competitors. 17 hours ago, former Virgin Galactic joins Vita, a corporate advisory board. Joins September the 1st. PR Newswire. Former Virgin Galactic CFO Ken Sun joins Vita Inclinita's corporate advisory board. Developer producer precision. Do the XRP and the Ripple. I'm just reading that. Martyn, the cost of living crisis on Martyn. It is the cost of living crisis of Martyn. I don't understand the question. I'm sorry. Let me just read. I've just found this information here. Former Virgin Galactic CFO Ken Sunshine joins Vita Inclinita's corporate advisory board. What does that mean? Vita has technology that aerospace markets has gained fantastic traction and respect with construction, government and research. Rapidly growing. Former Virgin Galactic Chief Financial Officer. So he's former. He doesn't work for them anymore. Most recently, Sunshine was found chief board. Vector launch. I don't know if that news is relevant. We've got this news here as well. Virgin Galactic stock underperforms Monday when compared to competitors. There are no competitors. That doesn't make no sense whatsoever. There are no competitors. Shares of Virgin Galactic Holdings slumped. The news, NASDAQ stock underperformed when compared to some of the competitors. How the hell does it compare to the competitors? There is no competition. So that's rubbish. That's manipulation. That's ridiculous. We've proved that before. We get stuff like that. Let me have a look. Virgin Orbit went back up again. We've sold our position there now. Tesla. Oh, Tesla today. Right, we're at $930 a share now. Tesla
Going to be the best quarter ever. That's coming next. Look at this. Tesla doing amazing. I have requested to join the group. I have requested to join the group, and I'm waiting for their reaction. I have requested to join the group, and I'm waiting for them to accept me. It says my order is pending. Look. Join the launch of new space. Virgin Galactic Space Investors. Here it is. Look. Your membership is pending. You'll be notified if your request is approved. Well, they should approve me because I rank number 1 on Google, on YouTube for Virgin Galactic. So they should request me. They should allow me in. Hopefully they will. But anyway, I'm waiting for them to accept me in. Tesla, phenomenal news. $930 a share now, effectively, if you want to take it in context. Virgin Galactic 516. Virgin Orbit. Tesla 311. Ali Tisro, do you want to call in on Virgin? Do you want to call in on Discord and be on the show and put your points to XRP? Big banks using Ripple, PNC, Bank Santander, Bank Standard Chartered, all use XRP. There you go. Maybe Ali wants to call in, and let me just check the Discord lounge. Is it open? Yes, it is. Right, 311. Tesla. Absolutely awesome. We've got day trader of the day. Virgin Orbit's going up again. Virgin Galactic's going up again. 517. I've just bought shares at 514. I bought 100 at 514. We are just down we're down 2% now. My portfolio is going up pretty quick. This will Tesla will drive up VU. It's one of the biggest parts of the S&P 500. Look at this. Virgin Galactic VU, sorry, I beg your pardon. I'm under 2% down now. Improving very quickly. Look at the overall position here. Improving very, very quickly now. And we might even turn green today. Virgin Galactic is going up as well. If we can, we've got an average now of 551, 2,000 shares. It's the highest position I've ever held in Virgin Galactic. And we are going up now, 519. If we can break now and I can start to trim off, it'd be absolutely wonderful for my portfolio. It really, really would. 519, we're going up quick. All right, I'm going to, we've got day trader of the day and also want to make some videos here now. 218, here we go. I'm going to make some videos that I'm going to put out later on and drive these stocks up. So 2 hours 18, SPCE. Okay, let me go over to the production screen. In fact, I've got a new production screen. Let me try this one. Let's see how this one works. That's a bit weird. Why is that not showing up? That's really strange. Let me try something else. Right. Right, the RSI level this morning broke. We want to bring up Virgin Galactic here. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader, Virgin Galactic stock. We've got some news for you this morning. On top of the news I broke last night about new chief engineer positions being now made available at Virgin Galactic, we've also got some news about USS unit. Flipping it, I've got to start that again. For some reason, I can't get that word out. Let me start that again. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Virgin Galactic stock looking very interesting. Last night I broke you the news of the new chief engineer position, but we've also got some interesting news now. We've not verified this yet, but USS Unity may be back together with announcing some flights. We've got some known Arabs actually who attend Virgin Galactic as well. Some meetings. We haven't got it all verified yet, but some VIPs have gone to Virgin Galactic. This has just been alleged to us. We haven't got that verified, so I just want to make it absolutely clear. And USS Unity, as information we're getting, may have been put back together, ready for flight. Very, very interesting. So this is my overall portfolio right now on Virgin Galactic. Let me go to my actual positions. Let me share with you. I've been buying more again this morning. I've now got an average of 551, and I've got 2,000 shares. I've been lowering my averages and getting ready for this stock to take off. If I show you now the chart for this morning, we did see that the RSI, and if you're familiar with RSI, you'll know you're looking for it to go below 30. It went dramatically lower this morning, in fact down to 1791. You can see it here, and which presents an option to buy in, indicating that it's oversold. So we did buy some more, not because of the chart, because you all know I'm not a chart reader. I don't really believe in that kind of thing, but I do use it as a reference point. But the news that USS Entity may be now put to get back together, ready for flight, is good news. Some VIPs from the United Arab Emirates have visited Virgin Galactic as well. I don't know what that's about yet. I'm trying to find out, but a lot of stuff going on at the moment with Virgin Galactic. I am buying more. We are expecting tomorrow to be quite a dramatic day. We are reporting live. If you click here, we are reporting the FOMC with Jerome Powell tomorrow live. We've done a poll in our show this morning indicating that tomorrow we expect a 0.75% interest rate hike. And let me share with you the live poll we just did. This is very, very important because 18% said 0.5, 0.75 was 50%, 52%. Look, you can see we're doing this live right now. That means 70% are saying 0.75 and below for tomorrow. So I do apologize. There is some unpleasant, as you can see, spam in our channel right now. That comes up during a live show, so you can see that. I apologize for you seeing that on the screen, but there you go. That's live YouTube. This is a live broadcast. But there you go. The poll will indicate that we are seeing 70% of 0.75 and below. Now, if that happens, the stock market totally will rally. So I feel that an all-time low, which we got in this morning on Virgin Galactic, is a good buy on the basis of the news that we've just found out. Allegedly, we've not confirmed that yet, but looking better. Virgin Galactic, I'm lowering my averages. I am scalp trading it to take profits, to lower my averages, to get money out because I'm now overweighted. I'm now overweighted with 2,000 shares. It's too much, so I'm just dropping it back all the time. If we get 550 today, I will trim off some 100, lower my averages, keep improving my position. But there you go. Virgin Galactic today, lots of news to digest. We will verify it throughout the day. If you click up here, this will take you to my playlist of Virgin Galactic, and you can get more information on that. And that's it for me for now. Join us back live today on the closing bell, and hopefully we'll have some more information. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let me do a quick interesting face on this one right now. Virgin Galactic. Okay, that's my thumbnail done. That'll go out shortly. Let's go back to some other stocks a minute. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a second. So stick with us. I bet you haven't been invested in XRP. We got a conversation here. Jason Stolfer, I have suspicion Virgin Galactic is a $3 stock. Well, you are entitled to that thought. I don't believe that. Remember, price is very different than value. Right. The S&P 500 coming back up now. Tesla, this is what I needed as well. Tesla. This is important. Tesla, here we go. Let's get this information on the screen as well. This is very, very important for tomorrow. Okay. Tesla news today. Look at the stock of Tesla, 311, which will be in old money, $933 a share. So now it's comfortably above that $900 in the old money price. Now, why am I bringing this information to you? Well, because of course tomorrow we are reporting live with the FOMC report. Tesla is a big part of my portfolio. In fact, it's 15%. You can see here. It's 15% of my portfolio. We have just done a poll on our show, and our show, this video is being made during a live show, so let me share with you the information that we've got right now, and I will share with you what we've seen here this morning. Here it is. I'll bring it up for you now. We've done a live poll, and the poll suggests that tomorrow that over 70% now of our viewers today, 26 votes, said 0.75 and below. If that happens, the market is going to rally massively tomorrow. Only 27% now say 1%. So very, very interesting information there. And Tesla is outperforming all the other stocks I've got in my S&P 500. It's one of the biggest part. That and Apple, of course, play a very big part in the S&P 500. And if I show you my VOO right now, you'll see that's popped up, but other stocks in the S&P 500 aren't doing that great, but Tesla is. So what do you think? Is Tesla going to go to 333, which will be the old money, $1,000 a share? I've always said it belongs above $1,000 a share. I predict that the next earnings for Tesla is going to be its best earnings on record, and that isn't that long to go. So there's Tesla right now. What do you think? I'd like your comments below. If you want to join us tomorrow for the FOMC report, we've got Jerome Powell live on the show, of course. You know what I mean. Click here. That'll take you to the FOMC report, which will be live tomorrow. Or if you're watching on the replay, you can watch the replay of that. But Virgin Galactic is had a bounce today, and Tesla has had a bigger bounce. I'm very excited about this, and let's see where it goes tomorrow. If our poll is right, and 27% are wrong with the 1% prediction, tomorrow we're going to get one almighty rally. We're very excited about that. Join us back here this afternoon for the closing bell. Click here and that will take you to all my live shows. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick ticker for Tesla. There we go. And let's just mark that one down. Okay, and that went out at, what time did that go out on the tape? Was 2:29. 2 hour 29 TSLA. Okay. Back to our trading screen right now. What else should we be watching right now? The overall portfolio is still down 2.28. It's improving slightly. S&P pushing back down again. Tesla, Virgin Galactic's around 516. 551 now, my average. I desperately want to trim off the top though. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, Rivian. What other big stories of the day? Polestar, Arrival. If you've just tuned in today, please smash the like button. Let me know you're here. That'd be great. We're making some videos right now to put out at the end of the show. As we're trading live right now, 2:30. Okay. 2 hour 30. People are interested in this one as well. This is Arrival, ARVL. There we go. Let's bring Arrival up. Now, Arrival, in my opinion, is about to go bankrupt, but we'll see. That's what everybody feels this morning. Okay, let's have a little look. Okay, let's cover it right now. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Arrival, ticker symbol ARVL, had a nice bounce today, back up nearly to $1, 97.5 cents, up 1.7 today. The question I want to know is, do you feel that Arrival is about to go bankrupt? They have run out of money. They are innovative. Their idea is great. I love it. The overall markets, though, are preparing downward today, down 2.31. My overall position is down. But the good news is we've just run a live poll on our show, and it's indicating that the stock, the rate hike tomorrow will actually be between 0.75 and 0.5%. How we know that is we did a poll here. I'll share with you, and just 26% say it's going to go up to 1%. If that's the case, the markets will rally tomorrow and Arrival might have a bounce. Now, what do you think? I think, personally, Arrival have run out of money and time's run out. Interest rates are going up. Inflation is still climbing. They need money. I've sold my position. I only have one share now. I'm out of the stock, holding that one share as a marker. But if you look at it right now, Arrival, in my opinion, I've run out of money and run out of time. But you could tell me. I'd like your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to join us tomorrow for the FOMC live event with Jerome Powell, he'll be joining me live on the Day Traders, my star guest. You know what I mean. Click here and you'll be with us on the live FOMC report. So there you go. Join us tomorrow. Arrival. Is Arrival going bankrupt, or is it going to hold out and be the stock of the century? We love the stock, but the company is in trouble. I'm not a fan of any particular company. I'm just a fan of making money, and I don't think right now my money is best placed here in Arrival. I'm out, but I'm waiting for some news to indicate things will be different. Of course, when the news come out, the stock will already be up, but overall, I don't think that's going to happen. What do you think? Join me live on the Day Trader. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Arrival. There we go. Let's bring the ticker back in again and get back to the trading screen. What else do we want to look at? Virgin Galactic. Is it coming? The S&P is coming up very quickly now. Virgin Galactic 518. 518. What was my last buy-in? 514. 551 now. Very, very interesting. Seeing Virgin Galactic come up like that. We're now down 1.77. Let me share with you the overall portfolio. It's coming back up. We've had a lot of rises, and Tesla is being a big part of that today. Look at that now. We're now at $936 a share. Old money. Very, very good. Really doing well. Tesla doing well. The S&P's coming up because of it. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. We're waiting to buy another dip. Coming back up. Tesla doing well. Rivian. Lucid. Polestar, Arrival, Apple today doing better, up 0.93. That and Tesla makes up a big part of the portfolio, the S&P 500. Coca-Cola returning as well, down 3.76 overall. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, 2% down. Google made a nice recovery. I was down 6% and now down 4%. I doubled my position. Microsoft, Meta. Meta's had a good day today. All right, let's do day trader of the day. Day trader of the day now. How many people are still with me? Okay, let's do day trader of the day. I'm going to end that poll. Let's do day trader of the day. Go to your live position. Here we go. Down 1.71. When the first people post, I shall bring it in. Down 1.69 now. %. And going up as well quickly. Oh, 518 coming up. Okay, 1 minute on the clock. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's see if I can get to 5. Oh my gosh, 519. Come on, if I can get this up today to 550, I'll trim off the top and I'll be in a very nice position. I'll take some profits and my whole portfolio will be transformed. All right, okay, let's do it right now. 1 minute on the clock. I can't share. We've got a technical glitch this morning on YouTube, but I will read out the scores though. Unfortunately, I can't put them on the screen for some bizarre reason. I'm down 1.69. Jason's down 2.19. So I'm ahead. Mark goes into the lead with 1.32. Stephen Lewandowski is up 0.5%. He is our winner today. I'm down 1.6 now. I'm improving all the time. But Stephen is doing the best so far. William Wallace is up 0.4. So Stephen is still slightly ahead. Steam is up 0.5. So that is equal. Over on Twitch we're getting it, but YouTube isn't reporting at the moment. Church of Logic down 4.26. Ouch, we know that hurts. So Steam and Stephen Lewandowski is up 0.5. Oh, that is you're the same person. You're the same person, aren't you? I remember now. So I can't share the YouTube links for some reason, but I can share it on Twitch. So there you go. It's good having both, isn't it? Right. There's a reason for having both. So thank you very much for your honest trades. Very quiet today. Give you a thumbs up and let's give them the sound effects. There we go. Awesome stuff. Stephen, thank you so much indeed for your position there. You're up today, which is great. Now, I just want to make sure everybody on Twitch right now, we've got 4 viewers on Twitch. If you are on Twitch right now, make sure that you renew your subscriptions. Very, very important at the top of the screen because they are free using Amazon Prime. And every first Friday of the month, I do a cash prize giveaway for my subscribers. Look, we got 16. We had 19. So 3 of you have let it lapse. And you shouldn't do that because it's free. All right, it's free using Amazon Prime, okay? So make sure that you do that. Everyone can have that opportunity. Right, I'm now down 1.6. It's improving. Looking good. S&P is trying to push up. The overall portfolio is pushing up, 1.65. Tesla doing really well. That's 936. Nearly at 1,000 now. Not that far away to go. Lucid. Tesla. Virgin Orbit. 518. 519. 519. 518. If we can get this up to 550 today, it's great. Because I will trim off the top, and then my portfolio will be in a whole different place. Because not only have I got 2,000 shares pushing up at 550, I will sell some, trim my portfolio down, and be in a very strong position, just enough to trim it back to 1,400, but I'll probably keep maybe 1,500. I'll try to use the profit to own more and lower that average. So I'm happy with that. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it pans out. Right, I think we're all done. I need someone to say roll the credits, and we'll get out of here, and I'll produce those videos and put them out. Okay, so someone could say to me, roll the credits. I will do that, and we'll get out of here and get these videos out. Okay, we'll be back this afternoon, of course, for the closing bell. Very, very interesting. Still rising. I'm now down to 1.66. Virgin Galactic. Getting better. If we get a 0.75 tomorrow, we're in a good position. 1.65. Okay, I'm going to roll the credits now because I have to get going and make these videos, okay? So I'll see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. Here we go. Let's see who took part in today's show. It might be quite a quiet one, but that's okay. Roll the credits. Let's have a little look. Thank you ever so much for all the follows over there on TikTok. Thank you so much for joining me. Click the star and you can become a huge subscriber and get all the perks and benefits. If you've subscribed to me during this show, I'm going to make a video for you right now. Put your channel on this screen, make a video for you, and invite my 25,000 followers to follow you. I make a special video for you, tag you in it, follow you back, and help you grow. I do that for all of my subscribers. If you want to join me on YouTube, I've got a cash giveaway Friday, every Friday. The link's in the profile right here. Come and join us on YouTube, get more information, and be part of it. It's completely free. And there you go. Let me see in the credits who took part in today's show. We've got our moderators. Very quiet today, but we did get a resubscriber to Twitch. That was Arnold Palmer. Thank you so much indeed. That's it from me. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Have a wonderful afternoon. And I look forward to seeing you. Sid Arthur said, roll the credits. Thank you so much indeed. See you all back in a bit. In the meantime, hang on. I wasn't on this screen, was I? Can't believe I wasn't on this screen.
Anyway, never mind. I'll see you all back in a bit. Take care of yourselves. Look out for the Premier videos this afternoon. Let's see if we can get Virgin Galactic to go up and get through 550, and then I can trim back, and that would be great. Take care of yourselves and each other.